Have you ever wondered why penguins always look like they're wearing formal suits? Or why they can swim like professional athletes, but can't fly? Don't worry, you're not alone. The world of penguins is more exciting and strange than you might think. In this video, we'll discuss unique facts about penguins that you've probably never heard before, from how they propose to their partners to their incredible swimming abilities. So don't skip it. The first interesting fact: wild emperor penguins can only be found in Antarctica. They breed and raise their chicks on fast ice. Fast ice is a floating area in the frozen ocean that is connected to land or an ice shelf. From birth, they spend their entire lives in and around the Antarctic ice. Some have also appeared off the coast of New Zealand, but this is less common. The emperor penguin is the largest of the 18 known penguin species. It can grow up to 120 centimeters tall and weigh up to 40 kilograms. Another interesting fact: do penguins live in snowy places? Until now, we thought penguins could only live in cold, snowy places. Indeed, the majority of penguin species can only be found in snowy places like Antarctica. This is because penguins have body features that support their survival in frozen places. For example, their short, warm feathers, thanks to a layer of blubber, keep them warm even in extreme weather. However, there are also penguin species that live in warmer regions, such as the Galapagos penguin, which lives only on the Galapagos Islands, 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador in South America, or the Magellanic penguin, which can be found on the coasts of Argentina, Chile, and the Falkland Islands. Did you know? The emperor penguin is the largest penguin species. This penguin species, the main character in the film Happy Feet, holds the record for the largest and tallest penguin species. They can grow up to 192 centimeters tall and weigh between 22 and 45 kilograms. Their physical characteristics can be recognized by their black feathers on their heads, beaks, wings, and backs, as well as their white bellies. There is a stripe of yellow on their ears. Emperor penguins are also known for their excellent swimming abilities. They can dive to depths of 500 meters and stay underwater for up to 22 minutes. Another interesting fact is that penguins are excellent swimmers. Every weakness is always created with an advantage. Penguins are no exception. Even though they can't fly, penguins are really good swimmers. On land, penguins may look cute and slow when walking, but they can be really agile in the water. While other bird species use their feet to propel themselves, penguins use their sturdy wings. Their pectoral muscles strengthen penguins for swimming, and their feathers are equipped with a special layer of fat that keeps them warm when they're in the water. FYI, Gen 2 penguins, Pygoscelis papua, can swim up to 22 miles per hour. It turns out that penguins are loyal animals. Penguins are monogamous. This means that both male and female penguins will mate with the same partner consistently. They will also care for the eggs and raise their chicks together. However, research shows that a small percentage of female penguins mate with several different males during the breeding season. Another interesting fact is that penguins take turns guarding their eggs and hunting for food. When the mating season is over and the female penguin lays her eggs, they take turns guarding them. The female penguin hands the eggs over to the male to guard while they go out to hunt for food. Conversely, when the female penguin returns, it's the male's turn to hunt for food and the female to keep the eggs warm. So, how long does it take to incubate an egg? This depends on the size of the egg. Incubation time varies between 32 and 68 days. During this time, the penguins are willing to forego food to protect their eggs, especially if their mate hasn't returned from hunting for food. Did you know? Penguins are also endangered. Of all penguin species, the most endangered is the New Zealand yellow-eyed penguin, Megadiptes antipodes. Only 4,000 remain in the wild. Other species are also under threat, such as the erect-crested penguin, Eudiptes sclatteri, which has lost 70% of its population over the past 20 years. The Galapagos penguin has also lost 50% of its population since 1970. Another interesting fact is that penguins' feet are adapted for long-distance walking. Some penguin species can walk up to 60 miles, 96 kilometers, across sea ice to reach their breeding grounds. Penguins' feet are also adapted to help them control their direction while swimming. They use their feet like rudders, steering them to help control their direction. The final unique feature of penguins is their distinct sounds. How do they tell them apart? Penguins generally live in large colonies, so how do they communicate with their mates when thousands of penguins are in the same place? Apparently, they use sound to distinguish one another. For example, emperor penguins use two branches of their syrinx to produce two different frequencies simultaneously. It's through these distinctive sound characteristics that they can distinguish one another. And there you have it, some unique facts about penguins that you might not have known, from their loyalty to their friends and mates to their ability to dive